Let's see an easy and tasty aloo bhindi fry recipe. In a large kadai, add some oil and add chopped onions. Saute the onions well until they are soft and transparent. Add cumin seeds as well and continue the sauteing process. Now add chopped potatoes. I have chopped them into this small size. You can chop them the way you want. Cover and let them steam cook for 2 minutes. Add chopped bhindi and mix it all well. Make sure the flame is medium to high when you add bhindi, and then you can adjust accordingly. I'm going to cover it for a while. The potatoes are nicely cooked and the bhindi is also sorted well. You can add your favorite seasonings at this stage. I'm going to keep it simple and add some turmeric, red chili powder and coriander powder. Give it a nice mix until all the spice powders are incorporated. Season with salt, mix and serve it hot with dal rice or fulkas. Very simple and basic aloo bhindi fry is ready. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.